Thank you for choosing AT&T Internet. This video shows the simple steps to replace your old gateway with your new BGW320 Wi-Fi Gateway. This includes downloading the Setup app, moving the cables from your old Wi-Fi gateway to your new Wi-Fi gateway, and activating your gateway. There are no tools or technicians needed, and the entire process will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Let's walk you through the steps and get you connected. You're probably excited to pull everything out of the box, but let's go one step at a time. First, if you don't already have it, let's download the Setup app to your smart device. You may see this called the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. To download, just scan the QR code on the front of the box with your smart device's camera and follow the steps. Or feel free to go to att.com/smarthomemanager on your smart device and download from there. Sign into your account and select the Get Started link. Here's some fun. Go ahead and tear open the install box by pulling on the tab. You'll notice the inside of the install box lid. We've numbered and color-coded the install equipment and steps for you. Please note, to reduce environmental impact, we use the same box for swapping gateways as new gateway installs. So your lid will show images of equipment you won't need or see in your box. Your box contains all the equipment you need to swap your gateway. We'll unpack the box in a moment. Right inside your install box is an envelope. Inside is important account info. Please read and store for your records. You'll also see return instructions in the envelope. We'll talk about returning your old equipment in a bit. And here's your new gateway. Following along with the next screen on your Smart Home Manager app, you'll see a list of the items in your box. Select Get Connected. Take the new Wi-Fi gateway and set it next to your old Wi-Fi gateway with the backs facing towards you. You'll soon be moving the cables in the back from the old gateway to the new one. Your old Wi-Fi gateway may look different than you see here. Follow along with the Smart Home Manager app and unplug the power supply to your old gateway. Set the old power cord aside. You'll be returning this shortly. You'll now be asked to move the ONT cable in the red ONT port from the back of your old gateway to the back of your new gateway's red ONT port. Remember, your gateway may look a little different than you see here. Just look for the matching port colors and port labels and you'll do great. Gently but firmly insert the cable into the red port. You should hear a click when it's inserted properly. Our next step is connecting the power supply to the new gateway. Now get the power supply from your install kit in the tray labeled number 4. Insert the power supply into a working outlet. And please note, the manufacturer recommends using a surge protector. Then take the loose end of the power cord and plug it into the back of the new Wi-Fi gateway. You should see a small green LED light come on at the power jack. If you do not see the light, on your app, select Troubleshooting Tips for help. Move any remaining cables, such as phone cords or Ethernet cables, if you have any, one at a time from the old Wi-Fi gateway to the matching port on your new Wi-Fi gateway. Make sure all connections are snug and secure. Pause this video while you transfer the cables. When you're ready, select the Activate button on the app. When you've completed connecting all the cables, including the new power cord, the new Wi-Fi gateway will power up. Gently turn your gateway around so the front is facing forward, but do not disconnect the cables or the power cord as it powers up, or you could damage the new Wi-Fi gateway. Set the old Wi-Fi gateway and old power cord aside. You'll be returning both shortly. At this point, the new Wi-Fi gateway is powering up and a white light should start blinking on the front. We're almost there. Your Wi-Fi gateway will automatically begin updating its software, and your app will let you know its progress. Activation can take up to 10 minutes. The app will continue working even if you need to use the phone or switch applications. Now is a great time to gather some of your home Wi-Fi devices to connect to your new home network. We'll do this shortly. Great, you should now see a success message on your app and you're almost all done. The light on the front of the Wi-Fi gateway should be solid white. Now the final setup step is if you have voice service through your gateway. This is often called AT&T phone, and you would have moved over a phone cable in the back. If you do have AT&T phone, you'll be asked to test your phone now. You've done great. Let's just check your home Wi-Fi system to make sure everything is working correctly. Your Smart Home Manager app will display the Wi-Fi name and password for your network. This is carried over from your old gateway, so your devices should be able to connect without changing their info. If you have issues connecting any of your Wi-Fi devices, you can reconnect by selecting Share Wi-Fi in the app and follow the prompts. The Smart Home Manager app goes way beyond just setting up your Wi-Fi gateway. Use it to manage and troubleshoot your home internet network, including any weak Wi-Fi spots, testing your internet speed, use parental controls features, and more. If you have any issues with your Wi-Fi devices, select the three-dot button in the upper right corner to access the message center. Just type in "Connecting Devices" for help. And at any time in the future, you can select this three-dot button in your Smart Home Manager app for home network help. Also, for online help with your AT&T phone service or Wi-Fi gateway equipment, go to att.com/BGW320. And if you need more general help with your service or account, just head to att.com/support. And our internet support line is available 24/7. Just go to att.com/support to chat with us for no charge. Finally, look for return instructions in the envelope in the box your new Wi-Fi gateway came in. Just follow the instructions to return your old Wi-Fi gateway and power cord to avoid non-return fees. That's it. You're all set to enjoy your new Wi-Fi gateway. Thank you for choosing AT&T.